Okay. You're amazing.
I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Ta-da! Meet your new friend.
Huh? Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh my.
Be nice.
Ooh la la la, bright up the day.
Shine it away.
Ooh la la la, bright up.
Stop it. Do it nice.
Shine like morning.
Easy and
Ooh
slow.
la la la.
Easy.
What the
Yeah, I understand. I'm looking at the numbers right now.
understand?
No, we can't extend past Friday. It's already tight.
Can't extend. Tight.
We'll regroup tomorrow. I'll send you the revised sheet tonight.